Imagine waking up each day, not rushing to work. What if work became a choice, not a necessity? This is the essence of financial freedom. The dream is simple. Live without worrying about your next paycheck. Financial freedom isn't about riches, it's a system. Today, we'll explore steps to achieve this before 40. First, let's define financial freedom. It's not about luxury, it's ensuring essential needs are met without relying solely on your paycheck. For some, it's investments covering expenses; for others, it may include rental income or business profits. Now, you must know your financial freedom number. Calculate your annual expenses. If you spend $30,000, your target differs from someone spending $100,000. Understanding this helps estimate the wealth required to sustain your lifestyle. Next, focus on controlling big expenses. Housing, transportation, and lifestyle choices weigh heavily on your finances. Saving a few dollars on small purchases won't change much if you're overspending on a car or house. Now, let's tackle high-interest debt. Create a repayment plan for debts that burden your finances. Pay off high-interest debt first while meeting minimums on others. This turns interest payments into savings over time. Don't forget to build an emergency fund. Life throws curveballs, like car repairs or unexpected bills. A fund can keep your investments safe from being sold at inopportune times. Increasing your income is vital. Invest time in learning high-income skills. Seek new opportunities, negotiate for raises, or explore freelance work. Focus on closing the gap between earnings and expenses. Next, save the difference. Your savings rate is crucial. If your spending rises with your income, financial growth stalls. Instead, invest more as you earn more. Some income should fuel future freedom. Now, invest for the long term. Once grounded financially, start consistently investing. Look into diversified funds or retirement accounts. The secret? Consistency over time, not trying to time the market. Utilize compounding. Your returns can generate future earnings. This requires 3 elements: invested money, time, and a reasonable return. Start investing early, even small amounts. Don't forget about multiple income streams. Reduce dependency on a single paycheck by diversifying income sources. Your main job can fund investments and other skills can create freelancing opportunities. Lastly, here's the 5-step financial freedom plan. Control expenses, eliminate debt, increase income, invest consistently, and be patient. Remember, financial freedom isn't just one decision, it's many small decisions made consistently. Every effort brings you closer to options in life beyond just earning money. Want more tips on financial success? Subscribe to Finance Flow for insights on building wealth. Tell us in the comments, what age do you aim for financial freedom?